Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
How are you today?
I hope you are doing well and feeling relaxed.
Today, we have a very useful topic for real life.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk in a clothing store.
We will learn how to try clothes, choose clothes, and react in simple English.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Okay, let's begin.
First, let me introduce myself. My name is Jasmine.
And I'm Varun. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now imagine we are inside a clothing store.
Yes, a big store with many clothes.
I am looking for a shirt.
Good. That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, you can say, I am looking for a shirt.
Simple and natural.
Now I see a shirt.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I say, I like this shirt.
Nice. That is easy English.
But I am not sure.
Then you can say, it looks nice.
Yes, it looks nice is softer.
Good point.
Now I want to try the shirt.
What will you say?
I will say, can I try this?
Perfect. Very common sentence.
Now I go to the fitting room.
You wear the shirt?
I look in the mirror.
What do you think?
I feel it is big.
Then say it clearly.
This is too big.
Good. Very clear.
Then I try a smaller size.
How is it now?
Oh no, now it is too tight.
You can say, this is too small.
Yes, that is simple.
Shopping is sometimes difficult.
Yes, and sometimes funny.
Yes, sometimes clothes look very different on us.
That is true.
Now imagine you find the right size.
Yes, finally.
What do you say?
This fits well.
Very good.
I feel comfortable.
You can also say, it feels good.
Nice, that sounds natural.
Now you want someone's opinion.
Yes, I ask my friend.
What do you say?
How does it look?
Good question.
My friend says it looks great.
That will make you happy.
Yes, I feel confident.
But what if your friend says,
maybe not good?
yes, maybe it's okay.
Oh, that means not very good.
Exactly.
Then I can say I don't like it.
Yes, simple and honest.
Now I see another shirt.
Do you like it more?
Yes, I like it better.
You can say, I like this one more.
That sounds natural.
Now let's talk about color.
Yes, color is important.
What do you say if you like the color?
I like this color.
Good.
Or I can say, do you have this in black?
Very useful sentence.
Yes, we use it often.
Now comes the most important part.
Price.
Yes.
I ask, how much is this?
Perfect.
Then I hear the price.
And your face changes.
Yes, I say, oh, it is too expensive.
Very real reaction.
Sometimes I still buy it.
Oh no, dangerous.
Yes, shopping is dangerous for money.
Very true.
If I want to save money, I ask,
Do you have a discount?
exactly.
Very useful in stores.
Now I decide to buy.
What do you say?
I will say, I will take this.
Good and confident.
Or I can say, I want to buy this.
Both are correct.
Now I go to the counter.
You pay for the shirt.
Yes.
They ask cash or card.
I say, card please.
Very polite.
Then I say, thank you.
Always good to be polite.
Now let's do a quick practice.
Yes, think and answer.
You see a shirt you like.
You say, I like this shirt.
You want to try it.
You say, can I try this?
It is too big.
You say, this is too big.
It fits well.
You say, this fits well.
You ask the price.
You say, how much is this?
Very good.
You are improving step by step.
Yes, just practice every day.
Even a little practice is good.
Now tell us in the comments.
What do you like to buy in a clothing store?
Shirts, shoes, or something else?
We want to know.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye!
Bye, friends.